ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you one of our encouraged participants sharing the Rick Hansen 25th anniversary relay right across this country, Sonny Davis. Let's hear it for Sonny Davis. Come on up here, Sonny. All right, Sonny, how does it feel to be part of this relay and carry the Rick Hansen medal right across this country?
Thanks, Russ. Hey, everyone. Good morning, difference makers. You know, thanks. It's a real honor, and I never have enough time to express my deepest heartfelt gratitude to arising and showing up in such a space as this, with such a hero as mine as Rick, being able to honor him in his dream this way, and from the depth of my heart, and thank you for showing up. 80% of success is just showing up. And if I can leave you with one thing, leaders, I'd rather see an example than to hear one any day. I'd rather one would walk with me than merely tell the way. For the eye is a better pupil, more willing than the ear. Fine counsel is confusing, yet example is always clear. I can see your hands in action, yet your tongue too fast may run. I can soon learn how to do it, if I've only seen it done. For the best of all, the leaders are the ones who live their creed. For seeing good in action is what everybody needs. I may misunderstand you and the high advice you give, but there's no misunderstanding of how you act and how you... Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. And now, I have the honor of introducing to you your difference maker, your Rick Hansen 25th anniversary medal bearer, Sandrigo Provost. All right, Sandrigo, Sonny, we're going to do the official exchange of the medal right now. Sonny, I know you've got to get on your way here, so get things moving. This is awesome.